Can we stop jumping?
No, deal with it, fucker.
Whatever. Hey, what's his problem?
He's afraid of my dog or something.
Oh, he's cute. Well,
Thank you. You'll be pretty fun as well.
Well, Yoshi's a wimp anyway.
Yeah, he was tired of jumping. Jumping!
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
Hey, I can hear you. Shut up.
Yeah, no one cares.
I thought you were his friend, though.
Yeah. This is a nice staring hunt.
Get off of me! Oh, what the hell's wrong with you? Hey, I didn't do anything. You jumped on me. You
I want some action.
All right, that's enough.
Oh, what the hell is wrong with you people? A lot.
Yeah. Well,
I have OCD and anxiety.
I think I might have ADHD. Well, I'm gonna go play with Pichu. I hate him.
I've been watching you.
Why did you beat me up? I thought we were friends.
We are. I was just bored.
I'm gonna make something. I hate him. Hey! Can't call your dog off. No. Okay.
Harry.
I need to make something. I need you to help me make like a robot or something. I want it to like destroy him. You think you can help me do that?
I have an under average IQ, but I'm good at carrying metals, so let's do this.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
All right, we got all the materials we need right here.
These are leaves and a stick.
I know, it's all we need.
You idiot.
How am I an idiot? This is all we need. Leaves and a stick.
Okay,
Oh, hey, Marionette.
Oh, hey.
What are you doing here?
What are you guys doing here? Are you trying to start a fire?
No, we're making a robot.
I'm sorry, how much pot did you smoke? How dumb are you? Thank you.
Don't tell my dad, but I've been smoking. All right, so are you guys ready to make it?
I guess.
All right.
Oh, I think I have something that we could use to make the robot.
What?
I found a bomb on the road. How do you do? Yeah, it speaks. It might be a terrorist, actually.
I guess we can use it.
All right.
All right, let's get to work. Yeah, put more leaves in. I'll get more leaves.
I'll get a stick. Put me back.
How about no? Just hammer it together with your fists. And done. You think it's pretty good? You think it's good?
I think we're geniuses. We can build a robot out of a bomb, sticks, and a few leaves.
I'm kind of tired. I'm just gonna... What's up, Hose? How's it going?
Not much. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. I was...
Yeah, give me some.
Oh, shit.
You just cut my hand. Screw you.
Have you seen my fingernails, idiot? How do you do, young lady?
I'm a boy.
Well, then why do you wear makeup? You fag.
Why are you made of metal, fag?
Because I'm a robot, dumbass.
Well, maybe I wear makeup because... Mom!
Oh, alright, amateurs. They're not as powerful as me. Time to sit down and relax. Alright, robot. I need you I'm going to program you to attack Yoshi and kill him. All right? Whatever you say, Master. All right, come on, let's go. Gotta build.
Oh, hey, Yoshi.
Oh, hey, Marionette. How's it going?
Good, how's your weekend?
Oh, it was pretty nice. I hung out with Pichu a lot, actually. Red Yoshi punched me in the face a few times.
Wow.
Yeah, he does it every day. Kind of used to it by now, actually.
Watch out. Later.
What?
Stay vigilant.
Okay, I'm just gonna go back to playing Minecraft. Hey, Yoshi. What do you want? Red Yoshi. Red Yoshi. Whoa, what is that? Is that a robot?
Silent fool.
Okay. Get on the ground.
Hey, my kill.
No, it's mine.
You have 0.10 seconds to run.
Never. Ah! My kill. Okay. Time to kill permanently. Prepare to die, weakling.
Oh! Well, an actual robot, I only see these things in movies. I mean...
Move out of my way, peasant. I need to complete my mission.
No, get away from my weakling. I mean, my friend.
No. Move out
Yes.
the way. You're
No,
interrupting
go
my
away.
mission.
You're annoying.
Get out of here.
No,
sunglasses.
you go away.
How about no?
No,
My master
no.
program.
What master? Who's your master?
Red
Was it the
Yoshi.
guy who you just knocked off the cliff?
Yes, because he almost stole my kill.
Oh,
And
well,
if you don't
yeah,
mind-
that's reasonable. I
if you
totally
don't
killed my
mind-
father if he almost stole my kill. Yep.
If you don't
But,
mind, I'm
actually,
going to get my kill back.
you know,
before
Marionette,
he does. Yes.
I'm actually friends with him. He told me that my brother also helped, but he brought the bomb, which is all the metal in your body. All they had before was leaves and sticks. Do you think you'd be that strong if you were just made out of wood and paper? So, technically, he's the main programmer. I get they all helped, and it was Red Yoshi's idea, but still.
Just move out the way.
Why? How about... Ow! Hey!
I need to get him. Move out of the way.
Why? Why do you need to?
How about we fight?
Sure.
Get in your battle stance.
Bippity boppity boo! Or is this an ice cream cone? Definitely not an ice cream cone!
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Bippity boppity boo! Ow. Okay, we are so weak when we hit each other, it's making bubble pop noises.
I know, right?
Yeah.
But I'm a robot. You're just a buff little man.
Why, thank you. That felt like a pencil lead.
You have done well, but not well enough.
Sticking my wand through your circuit. Or maybe not. I'm actually a bit terrified right now.
Not on my watch.
Ha!
Stabbed you right in the gut.
Well, guess what? I just stuck my wand through your circuit.
You're making me...
Whoa, I can sell this thing on eBay now that it's dead. Here. Did you actually manage to kill that thing?
Yeah, why'd you kill... What? You killed my robot!
Well, yeah, he was trying to kill Yoshi.
What? That was the point. He's supposed to kill Yoshi. That's what I programmed him to do.
You're an idiot. You tried to kill your brother.
He's not even my brother. He's my cousin.
So?
But,
Like, same thing at this point. Morden, are you my brother or my cousin? I don't even know at this point. I think... Brother? Same thing.
That's not the same thing. You killed my robot. I worked so hard on that. I may have only used leaves, a stick, and a freaking Russian terrorist bomb, but
Well,
it still took
actually,
a while.
Technically, I did most of the work.
What?
Oh no, he's having a seizure. Someone give him CPR. Somebody.
Shut up!
I have an idea. Oh. Harry.
Oh no.
How you like the taste of that, Red Yoshi? Hey, you just killed my dog.
And you killed my master.
I am your master.
Since when?
Wait. Let's talk about this. If
Roy, you're next.
Nope.
Time to go end life as...
Nope.
Time to go end human life as everybody knows it.
Hi, Yoshi.
Roy, you saved my life.
Get over it.
Okay. You want to go jump on the trampoline?
Sure.
All right, let's go. Jumping is fun, right, Roy?
Yeah.
At least I'm not a wimp.
Yeah.
Like Red Yoshi.
Yeah, he was tired of jumping.
Did Morgan tell you that?
Yeah. He tells me everything. Do you want to know what's funny to think about?
What?
So, right now we're jumping, but a couple hours ago, your cousin and my brother were jumping instead of us on the same trampoline. Funny to think about, right?
Yeah.
Oh well.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Yep. I'm pretty sure I do have ADHD. Ha, fools. I'll be back.